In this video, we will learn about growth and development of a child, how the development occurs, the fine motor and the gross features that occurs in a child, how the development take place in weeks, in months, and in different age groups, in years, how milestones are achieved by a child, and to learn about this topic, to learn about a normal child development, please see this video. Okay, please stay tuned. About the milestones which are achieved by a child, okay, in his lifetime. So key gross motor development milestone: by the age of 3 months the child starts neck holding, okay, he can hold his neck, okay, and by 5 months roll over is the gross motor feature, okay, in a child. And by 6 months he or she can sit with the on support, with on support, and without support in 8 months, and stands holding on with support in 9 months, and creeps well in 12 months, and walks alone in 15 months. By the age of 1 year, the child can creeps well, walks but falls, stands without support, and by 15 month walk alone, creeps upstairs, runs in 18 month, and by age of 2 years walks up and downstairs, jumps, and by the age of 3 years rides tricycle, and alternate feet going upstairs. By the age of 4 years hoops on one foot, alternate feet going downward. So now we will see some pictures. So in this picture, pull to sit, complete head lag in a newborn. There's a complete head lag in a newborn. And then in this picture, pull to sit, no head lag at 4 months. There is no head lag, okay, no head lag by the age of 4 months in a infant. So pull to sit flexes the head into chest, okay, flexes the head into chest at 5 months, okay. Then ventral suspension, this is important, by the age of 10 weeks, by the age of 10 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, ventral suspension, okay, ventral suspension. And ventral suspension, head in line with trunk at 12 weeks, head in line with trunk. So this is in 8 to 10 week, and this is in 12 weeks, head in line with the trunk, ventral suspension. Now the another picture, the infant lies on the bed with high pelvis and knees drawn up at 2 weeks, okay. This is a picture of an infant at 2 weeks. Now this is ventral suspension, unable to hold neck in line with the trunk at 4 weeks, okay. So this is infant lies with flat pelvis and extended hips at 6 weeks, extended hips at 6 weeks. Creep position at 10 months of age, ground, abdomen off ground, and weight on the hands and knees, okay, as we can see in the picture, in the at the 10 month of age, okay. Now in prone position, face lifted to about 45-degree at 8 weeks. And this is a picture of sitting, back rounded, okay, back is rounded but able to hold head at 8 weeks. And in prone position, face, head, chest off the couch, okay, at 3 months, face, head and chest off the couch at 3 months. This is another picture showing in prone position, weight on hands with extended arms at 6 months. Now this is another picture, sitting back much straighter than the previous okay, which was at 8 weeks. Now this is a picture at 4 months, okay, back is straighter, and 8 weeks back was rounded, and in this 4-month picture the back much straighter. Now this is a picture sitting with support of hands at 6 months, okay, sitting with support of hands. Now sitting with support at 8 months, okay, sitting without support, okay, without support at 8 months and with support at 6 months, without support at 8 months. Pivoting turns around, this is pivoting turns around to pick up an object at 11 months, bears almost entire weight at 6 months, bears almost entire weight at 6 months. Cruising around furniture at 10 to 11 months of age, okay. Stands independently at 1 year of age, 12 months. Child walking with one hand held at 12 to 13 months. The child is able to walk upstairs and downstairs 1 foot per step at 4 years. Hand regard. This is hand regard. Between 12 to 20 weeks. Between 12 to 20 weeks. Hand regard. Now the next picture, the child brings hand in midline as he plays at 3 to 4 months of age. Child brings hand in midline 3 to 4 months of age. Intermediate grasp at 8 months. Intermediate grasp at 8 months. Begin to use radial aspect of the hand at 8 months. Bidextral grasp. Bidextral grasp approaching to the dangling ring at the 4 months. Bidextral grasp using both the hands. Okay. This is a mature grasp at 1 year of age. Mature grasp. Intermediate grasp at 8 months. Mature grasp at 1 year of age. This is pincer grasp. Two small objects, index finger and thumb. Okay, immature grasp at 6 months. Palmer grasp. Immature grasp at 6 months. This is immature grasp at 6 months. Palmer grasp. And this is mature grasp at 1 year of age. Not use of thumb and index finger. Okay. Then a child mouthing an object at 6 months of age. At 6 months of age. And scribbles spontaneously at 15 months. Feeding from a cup at age of 1 year. Okay, now we will see key fine motor milestones. The child start to use both hands to reach out for object at 4 months of age, and in 6 months unidextrous reach, okay, using one hand. And in at the age of 9 months immature pincer grasp. At the age of 12 months pincer grasp. At the age of 15 months imitate scribbling, tower of 2 blocks. 18 months scribbles, tower of 3 block. 2 years of age, tower of 6 block. 3 years of age, tower of 9 block. 4 years of age, copy cross and bridge with blocks. 5 years of age, copies triangle, gate with blocks. A child making tower of 5 to 6 cubes at 2 years of age. So these are the drawing skills at different stages of a child. 3 years of age can draw a circle, and this is a drawing of 4 years of baby, and this is of 4.5 year of baby. Okay, this is 7, this is 11, and this is 9 and 8, 5, 6. Okay, these are the drawing skills at various ages. Now important milestones, the key and social adaptive milestone. At 2 months of age, social smile after being talked to. Okay, at 1 month the baby showing intent regard of his mother's face as she talks to him. Okay, at 3 months of age recognize mother. At 3 months of age recognize mother. At 6 months of age recognize strangers. At 9 months of age waves bye bye. Okay, and at age of 1 year comes when called, plays simple ball game. At 15 months jargon. Okay, and 18 months copies parents in task. And 2 years of age ask for food, drink, toilet, pulls people to show toys. And at the age of 3 years share toys, knows full name and gender, plays cooperatively in a group, goes to toilet alone. At the age of 4 years, and at the age of 5 years helps in household tasks and dresses and undresses. This is a social smile which begin at the age of 2 months. Okay, a child smiles at himself in the mirror at the age of 6 months of age. Now key language milestones. 1 month of age alerts to sound, the baby alerts to sound. And at 3 months of age coos, musical vowel sounds. At 4 months laugh aloud. At 4 months laugh aloud. At 6 months monosyllabus, like a ba, da, pa. Okay, and in 9 months bisyllabus language. Okay, like mama, baba, dada. This is bisyllabus language. Okay, 18 months 8 to 10 word vocabulary. And in 2 years 2-3 words and tenses, uses I, me, you. And in 3 years ask questions. And in 4 years says song or poem. And in 5 years ask meaning of the words. Okay, and in 3 words knows full name and gender. So this is a picture of a baby grasping with the eye at 3 months. Diagonal localization of the source of a sound at 10 months. Infant fixate on her mother as she talks to her at 1 month.